Mayor Brandon Scott, 12/26/1959, 12/26/2025. Be my 66th birthday. I'm looking for exoneration and freedom. Every time you try to hurt me, all you did is help me. Shorty, pull your mask up. Well, I'm Shorty. Get Shorty, remember that? Mayor O'Malley approved the program in 2006. So I'm gonna give you Shorty from 2006 to 2025. 19 whole years. And Mayor Brandon Scott, this is your life. That Shorty pull your mask up. When Brandon Scott was talking about Shorty pull your mask up, y'all never paid me for that advertisement. And number two, you never did no charges against Scott Shellenberger. I was kidnapped by the state of Maryland for making a documentary about your courts and the corruption in your courts behind the Democratic Party, stop and frisk and zero tolerance. You feel me? It's all right here. And that's me at City Hall. So Mayor Brandon Scott, release all material to the voters. That's me, Community in Crisis. That's the town hall. And these is the criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. You feel me? See the big picture here? Is everything coming into focus? That's City Hall. And we're talking about the corruption. In Chicago, they called it Operation Greylord. When the mayor of Chicago came to Baltimore, y'all did y'all's best to keep us away from each other. Yeah, well, we got that on film too. Like I said, every time you try to hurt me, you help me. Y'all stole my grill and the community bought me a new one. I feed the city in Baltimore. That's me. My activism is through food. You feel me? Activism through food and community. Building community. You feel me? So Mayor Brandon Scott, I was kidnapped by the state of Maryland and Illinois. I spent Christmas, my birthday, in jail. 186 days illegally. I don't want reparations. At the conclusion of a trial, if the defendant is found innocent, I'm supposed to be compensated freely, duly, in the expense and convenience of the government. Y'all locked me up for making a movie. Y'all can't stop the movie. Scott Shellenberger needs to be criminally charged, just like Nafong from the Duke lacrosse team. Holidays is the worst days to be locked up. Mayor Brandon Scott, question for you. Is you willing to go to jail for Scott Shellenberger? Because you my main witness. Mayor Brandon Scott is my main witness. He got that booklet called Shorty Pull Your Mask Up. That's evidence. And I gave it to him at the Board of Estimates meeting in front of everybody. So he can't say he ain't got it. Your city solicitor, everything you got from Shorty from 2006 to now, you're going to have to bring it to the table. Mike! Check! And to make sure you do, let me show you something. This is on the walls of City Hall, so we don't have no misunderstandings. Activism ain't terrorism. I'm gonna terrorize you with the truth. And I'm gonna do it through the legal lens, all right? I took an oath to defend this country against all terrorists, foreign and domestic. Y'all got domestic terrorists on your police department, in your courts. That's Atlas Restaurants. That's criminal law. And that's Ivan Bates. Now, Ivan Bates had this before he was in office. He had it when he was with the Garcia law firm, all right? Malcolm Ruff is running for office. GOP Carter, Malcolm Ruff, y'all got this. See the date? That's the state's attorney's office. And if you contact Valerie Cummings, she was in Conway's office when I started this. Frank Conway. We're gonna get my paperwork from February the 2nd, 2011 to now. We're gonna get everything. And Mayor Brandon Scott, Shorty Pull Your Mask Up, that's Brandon Scott. And that's Shorty, all right? I'm a living person. I'm Shorty. Devin Allen and Joe Giordano, I'm Shorty. And those are the criminal charges against Scott Shellenberger. We on the same page now? Through the legal lens.